Ganyan. So, 15 since ang age naman natin is we are now adults. Kaya dapat 15 ml. Iti-taste natin. Yeah, parang minty. Parang siguro, some of you are already familiar of this product. So, this is the main vlog or the main subject for this vlog. Ming'S, ayan, Ming'S Papacoa Syrup. Ayan, so both ends. Para hindi ako magkamali sa pagbigkas, ayan, buti na lang back-to-back siya. Ming'S Papacoa Syrup. Herbal dietary supplements. So, medyo sikat ito sa mga kapatid nating Chinese because this is a Chinese herbal medicine to treat cough, colds, or other respiratory symptoms. Kaya, pack na pack ito dahil panahon ng COVID-19. So, as you can see here in this picture, meron siyang mga citrus na main feature. I think, or if I'm not mistaken, this is lime. Ayan, lime or lemon. Ayan, o, diba? And then, medyo malaki siya. So, pwede mo siyang maubos for like 2 weeks. Ayan. And then, we will be discussing kung ano nga ba yung laman niya and yung benefits niya pag iti-take mo itong product. So, before we will flip this camera, let me tell you something about the price. So, yung average price for 75 ml, ayan, 75 ml na product is, ayan, 225 pesos. Pwede mo siyang mabili sa mga drugstores, Mercury Drug, ayan, yung mga Chinese herbal stores, yung mga butika na malapit sa inyo. So, ayan po, sa mga nanonood hanggang dito, ayun, mabibili nyo po ito sa mga drugstores, ayan, or sa mga herbal stores. So, let's flip this camera para makita natin in closer look yung mga contents and description nito. And then, don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels, The Story of Anthony and The Story of Anthony Vlogs for more product reviews, updates, and of course, my daily vlog. Andito na po yung closer look of Ming'S Papacoa Syrup. Herbal dietary supplement with, I'm not sure kung citrus talaga siya, but, ayan. But yes, citrus yung itsura niya. Parang hindi siya citrus, no? But anyway, let's move on to the description. Ming'S Papacoa Syrup is made from a number of herbal ingredients, including loquat syrup, tama ba yung pagkabigkas ko? Used in traditional Oriental medicine. So, ayan, Oriental medicine sa kapatid nating mga Chinese. So, it's been proven to soothe dry, itchy throat, and clear nasal passages. It is trusted for thousands of years ago. It is safe and free from any side effects. So, indication niya is for minor cough, common colds, ayan, itchy throat, strained and stressed throat from overused cords, ayan, mga singers or teachers, smoking, sore throat, ayan, loss or hoarseness of voice, ayan, and except sa mga sa mga talagang serious na case, you should consult a doctor na. Dosage and administration. So, pag children age 3 to 6, dapat 1 teaspoon. Pag children to 7 to 12, ayan, medyo nag-idle ako, sorry. 2 teaspoon, ayan. So, 10 ml each time, 3 times a day. And adult, 1 tablespoon naman siya, 3 times a day. And for best results, dilute with warm water. And then, kapag symptoms persist talaga, consult your doctor. So, ayan. Main benefits is the soothing solution for cough, sore throat, strain, and hoarseness of voice. So, ganyan. Medyo naulit lang yung sinabi niya. Is a potent herbal formulation that helps relieve cough and sore throat as well as it restores vocal quality. It has been an ever-ready and ever-reliable relief of allergies, colds, or a stressed-out of throat whenever we take the toll of our voice. So, ayan, obvious na obvious. 2021 pa yung expiration date niya sa March. So, March 2021. Next year po yun. So, dapat maubos na natin itong product na ito before the year ends. And we will be shifting to the ingredients. So, we have here yung syrup. Ayan, syrup talaga yung nagpaparami. But then, we have mga ibang ingredients such as loquat. Hindi ko alam. Sorry guys kung wrong yung pronunciation ko. Ayan, honey, bellflower, polygala root, almond, gelatin, glenia root, opiopogon, Indian turnip, colts foot, ginger, licorice, orange peel, Indiana bread, shisandra, peppermint. So, ang sabi dito is keep in a cool, dry place. Huwag yung direct sunlight, huwag yung above 30 degrees Celsius kasi maapektuhan yung potency ng syrup. So, ayan, FDA number, Food and Drug Administration number. So, FDA approved siya. And ito yung company niya, SR Food Philippines sa Paco, Maynila. And we have here, ayan. Tapos ganito yung seal niya. So, do not accept if seal is broken. And i-open natin ito. So, if you flip back natin ang camera. And let's begin with the demonstration. Ngayon, i-open na natin siya. Kaya, let us unseal the seal. So, i-open na natin siya. So, this is the seal. I-open na natin siya unti-unti hanggang sa mabuksan natin itong box. So, tanan! Ganyan na. So, ma-open na natin yung box. And, titignan natin kung ano yung itsura ng bottle. So, medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Pero, at last, nabuksan na natin. Yan, medyo na-UP lang ng konti. But then, over here, so, ganyan siya. And then, ilalabas na po natin yung box. So, it is simply a syrup. Talaga siya. Pang syrup. So, this is how it looks like. And, ganyan natin siya titignan. O, diba? And, so, i-try natin mag-screenshot and titignan natin kung pwede natin ilagay sa thumbnail ng ating vlog. Isa pa. Oh, di ba? And now, we are going to open this beautiful bottle. So, kung titignan nyo, same yung content niya dito na pinakita ko. Here, yung ingredients and asan yung ingredients. So, ayan, ingredients. At the same time, yung description niya. So, yung cover din niya. O, diba? And, ganyan yung itsura ng bottle. So, hindi siya plastic bottle. It is really a glass bottle. And, medyo malaki yung kanyang ulo. So, yung opening niya. Kaya, unti-unti natin siyang buksan. So, madali siyang buksan. And, first of all, let's inspect using our eyes. So, parang may seal siya. So, ayan. Mas maganda kapag may seal na ganito because it prevents spilling kahit na naka-close. Ayan, para hindi magli-leak. And then, yung syrup is color na brownish, ganyan. Talagang natunaw na sugar siya. So, aamuyin natin siya. Kakaiba yung amoy niya. Sugar na may mga herbal na aroma. Ayan. So, kung titignan nyo, ganyan siya. And, para maiwasan natin yung lagkit, dapat piliin natin yung area na hindi pa naanuhan ng syrup. So, i-unleash natin siya. Wait. Ayan. I-open na natin muna. So, ganyan siya. Dahan-dahan. Ay! So, ganyan. Buti na lang. Sa pa ako na siya nahulog. So, it's like that. And, let us... Teka lang guys kuha lang ako ng tissue. Dapat naka-prepare kayo ng tissue whenever opening this product because malagkit siya and talagang medyo messy if nahawakan mo yung syrup sa kamay mo. And kailangan mo talagang maghugas ng kamay because malagkit talaga. O, diba? And kuha tayo ng glass of water with teaspoon. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. O, di ba? So, we have here 1 teaspoon equivalent of 15 ml. So, yung children na nasabi ko kanina, so basahin ulit natin. So, we repeat yung from children age 3 to 6, 5 ml. Pag mga age 7 to 12 is 10 ml or 2 teaspoon. And then, kapag age 12 and above, ayan, 12 and above, eto na yon 15 ml. Tapos 3 times a day. But, syempre, ngayon, i-test natin yung taste. So, ganyan. So, 15 since ang age naman natin is we are now adults. Kaya dapat 15 ml. So, ganyan siya. Dahan-dahan para hindi mag-spill over. So, ganito ang itsura niya. Ayan. Step 2 is ayan. Step 2, syempre, carefully pour the syrup sa 12 ml para at least ma-measure mo yung correct na dosage. So, yan. Yung first is for hygienic purposes. Yung second is para makuha mo yung correct dosage. Tapos, iti-taste natin. Yeah, parang minty. Parang cough syrup siya. Lasang cough syrup. Pero hindi siya makatisa sa sa lalamunan. Hindi siya makate because may minty na taste, may minty na sensation, and naloloka ako na okay pala yung lasa niya and nasusus talaga yung inyong lalamunan. And step 3, drink water. Bakit? To flush yung mga naiwang residues ng cough syrup sa oral cavity mo, sa pharynx, sa larynx. O, di ba? Now I get it. Herbal siya na it can treat mga symptoms ng distress sa inyong upper respiratory, lower respiratory. Kaya, tapos, yung amoy niya, ayun, yung breath mo is amoy, alam mo yun, yung bagong toothbrush, yung bagong brush ng ipin, o diba? Yes, I can really tell na it can provide a relief for your sore throat. Ayan. Yeah. Pwede niyang i-relieve ang inyong sore throat. So, even though sabi niya dito is no approved therapeutic claim, tapos oriental medicine, herbal medicine siya, I can tell na, okay, legit na maraming gumagamit nito as an alternative medicine. Dahil, yes, sa dami pa naman ng ingredients niya, ng herbal ingredients. Tapos, kapag serious and legit Chinese medicine, yes, you can really tell na okay siya sa lalamunan. Pasado sa akin. O, diba? So, ito-close na natin itong bottle para at least. Yun nga lang, ang precaution ko sa inyo is uminom agad kayo ng water pagkatapos nyong kumain or mag-take ng isang dose ng ganito para hindi makati yung lalamunan, hindi magkakaroon ng discomfort sa inyong throat kasi nga malagkit siya, matamis, and yes, it is a syrup, so yun yung precautionary. syempre ilagay ko na to dito. Ayan. And my final verdict is 9/10. Why 9? Because syempre meron siyang precautionary na which is dapat uminom ka ng tubig and medyo mararamdaman mo pa rin yung sirap sa lalamunan mo. Pero ang good side niya is mafe-feel mo talaga yung relief niya sa mga sore throat, sa cough, sa colds. Ayun. And now, my final say is that kung medyo serious talaga yung problema niya sa throat or kung may respiratory distress talaga kayo, it is better to consult a professional na practitioner such as physician. Kasi kapag may problema sa health, don't ever self-medicate or don't ignore the symptoms because hindi mo alam baka nakakahawa na yan. Or talagang medyo seryoso na yung problem na hindi kayang gamutin mag-isa or self-medicate o kaya magkaroon ng anong tawag dito? Yung remedy lang. Ayan. And that's it for now. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa vlog na ito. Kung may questions lang kayo, ayan, don't forget to subscribe. And my final say for this product is that okay lang kapag prevention or treatment of mild symptoms. Kapag or however, if you start na nafe-feel yung mga medyo moderate or severe symptoms na of cough or colds, baka iba na yan. So, you need to seriously seek consultation from a professional practitioner such as physician because hindi mo alam, medyo malubha na yung karamdaman mo and nakakahawa pa ang karamdaman mo. So, always seek for a professional help kapag may problema ka sa seryosong problema sa cough, sa colds, sa sore throat na hindi talaga naagapan after 1 week. Ayun lang guys. And as a nurse, mas maganda ang prevention kaysa sa cure because kapag prevention, wala ka pang sakit niyan kasi kapag nag-cure ka, meron ng problema sa katawan mo. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Kapag may questions lang kayo, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channels. Ayan, and then comment down below. Tapos reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So that would be all. Thank you very much and have a good day.